Welcome in, welcome back to the channel, guys. Look at that view, man. That rear camera. That is that HD or what? Well, anyway, guys, I'm in this shop now. I'm pulling in Chrysler. Y'all recognize this center console, right? This is a 200, guys. But look at this. Wow. All right, JT, stop clowning around. Let's stay focused. Chrysler 200, guys. Check engine light. However, I do not see a physical check engine light. Now, y'all, they have to. I'm trying to get that light out the way. I do see a tire light, and I do see a tire. Why is this light? I do see a tire missing. Okay, guys, my light is on. I need my light on. However, y'all know this computer controlled car, guys. There's a computer that monitors the engine as well as a computer that runs the transmission. Now, when these cars come into the shop, guys, they are required to scan them first. He told me it had a code in it, but he couldn't name off the code. He don't remember the code. It was something weird. So I was going to do this anyway. I was going to verify everything, grab my pod, and verify what the code is and proceed with the diagnosis based off what the code is. Okay? And guys, let me say this. I find myself having to say this. There is no such code exists that simply says a part is bad. Okay? Yes, I get these questions all the time. I get these comments all the time. I've once heard well-respected mechanics say this. Okay, yeah, I checked it, man. It said the O2 sensor was bad. Well, I checked it, man. It said my map sensor was bad. So I replaced it. I still got a problem. Okay, what exactly did the code say? It said map sensor voltage high. Okay, yes, a map sensor can cause that. However, a loss of ground can cause that. So you could have a wiring or circuitry problem. It does not automatically mean. Now, you can get in trouble as a technician diagnosing that way. Because, guys, if it's nothing worse that a customer hates is you have to call them back and ask for some more money for something. All right, so your diagnostic or your estimate needs to be on point. Don't tell somebody all they need is a map sensor just because you saw map circuit volts high code. No, that will bite you in the butt. So get out of the habit of doing that. I've learned that the hard way a long time ago. I check circuits and do things before. Now, sure, you can take a part, plug it in, see if your problem goes away, and you can automatically assume that the part is your problem. The responsibility of fault codes, guys, is to at least put you in the right direction. Yes, we are very dependent on fault codes. Okay, there are some repairs we cannot make in a dealership facility if there is no fault code to support the repair you're doing. Okay, in other words, you can't just stick a transmission in a car and there's no check engine light or no transmission fault code that suggests you to do that. Yes, back in the day we was doing that. You can't cost car makers a lot of money and get in trouble doing that because they can potentially reject the claim. Okay, so now things are changing, guys. The automotive industry revolves daily. I'm going to say it like that. Daily, something changed, especially in the dealership world. Okay, I work in both worlds. The aftermarket world, the dealership world, the high performance world. I got my hands in a lot of things, guys. I am extremely busy and I love what I do. Let me say that again. I love what I do. When you love what you do, you will be happy. You will enjoy doing what it is that you love to do. Now, this was not supposed to have been an inspirational video, so let me get back, snap out of it, and get back to being a mechanic. All right. Now, having said that, let me grab my scan too, guys, so I can show you, so we can take a look at the fault codes and go from there. I'm gonna take a break. When I get back, we're gonna be at the computer. All right, y'all ready? Stay tuned, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're back here at the computer. Yes, this is 2015 Chrysler 200 with a 2.4 multi-air engine. All right, look at this, guys. No, now I'm not sure if the code was erased or the code erased on its own. That's unlikely. In other words, there's no reason for the check engine light to be on because there's no fault code. However, this blue lightning bolt indicates a recall, guys. So there's recall likely on this is probably 84, the oil consumption recall. All right, but yes, let's look at all DTCs because I don't see nothing in the PCM. Up down shift circuit open. Implausible data received from radio, tire pressure. Yeah, we saw the tire pressure problem. Dual ambient light. See, all of these are. I don't see nothing in the PCM that will constitute a check engine light, guys. What is that all about? All right, but there is a flash update. Like I say, I want to believe, yes, W84 will reflash it in order to help with oil consumption. I'm still going to talk about that, guys, but let me look at this one for now. The other flash was relating to problems the customer may experience upon further the following when they have no codes. Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Super Tape.
What's up, man? All right, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I was interrupted by a trainee. This guy named Gary work here. You know, he had to come ask me stuff all the time, and I don't mind, guys. Y'all know me. I'm a nice guy. But anyway, where was I before I was so rudely interrupted? Oh yeah. So what we're gonna do, guys? Because there's no check engine light per se, like the customer or like the complaint says, we are going to go, let's go do a visual inspection, guys. I mean, a lot of things can affect, y'all know the heart and soul of any car's electrical system is the battery and its connection. Let me see, would that explain any of these fault codes? Let's look at all DTCs again. Anytime you got look at that, implausible data from radio, anytime you got any kind of implausible data codes or anything like that, the battery, matter of fact, guys, let's go to the car and take a look at the battery and its connection. And I will have to call this customer and get some more info out of him, because I see no check engine light and there's nothing on here to support a check engine light. However, there is a recall for you know what's weird about this recall? I don't know, I guess Heller and Tom Cook will know what I mean. Look at this, guys. This says, unless the claim hasn't been paid yet, because it's showing complete. How is it showing complete? W84 showing complete, but on the topology, I have this. Okay, I may be talking too much, doing too much. So, guys, let's go to the car and take a look. Let's take a look at the car. General visual inspection, guys. Y'all ready? Let me take another break. When I get back, we're going to be at the car. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Nice blue, yes, 2.4 multi-air engine. Man, what is going on over here? Look at, come on, lady. Am I seeing what I'm think I'm seeing? How is this possible? Okay, all right, this is the only way to tighten it, but they can't. They got it upside. They got it on the, remember, guys, the negative cable is replaceable. I mean, the negative terminal is replaceable. I got one I just did. Where is it at? I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Right here, it's still in the floor. All right, this is one that I just did on a 200. So take a look at this. See? Yes, and this is 2015, so this is the same way. You cannot, okay, I see what they did. They needed a terminal. For whatever reason, they find out these are not replaceable. So they open it up. Y'all see that? See, on the back of this, you can open that up and try to fix it. And what I mean by try is, yes, if this is your last option, yes, do what you got to do. But keep in mind, guys, that this poor electrical connection could affect a lot of things on your car, especially communication issues with computers and fault codes and things like that. So yes, if you need a terminal for the negative, I suggest you right here get the whole cable. I just did this on a 200 for that reason. I had a bunch of crazy codes and the connection was just poor. Look, and this is not the, now you can, however, replace the positive cable or the positive terminal on this car without doing the whole cable, but the negative is just like this and it is not replaceable. Like I say, if push come to shove, you got no choice. Go ahead and do this, but keep in mind, try to secure the connection as tight as possible or you will have problems. I don't even know if this is tight. No, look at that. So not only, it's probably pegged out. Yeah, it's pegged. I need gloves, but it's pegged out and it's loose. That's going to give you all kinds of problems, guys. I got to fix that before I do anything. So here's what I'm going to do. It's exactly what we just spoke about. Okay, I will not go any further until my electrical system is on point. All right, I'm gonna put this battery on a GR8 test, make sure it's able to hold its load. Okay, and this battery don't look like it's for this car. In fact, it looks like it's stronger. So this is a good thing. All right, I'm gonna test the battery and recommend this connection. I need a positive terminal and a battery negative cable like this. Y'all seen the new design? The new designs, they're not even made like this. So when you get one, it's gonna be totally different. It's gonna be better. All right, you don't make stuff the same. All right, so the new one's gonna be a whole lot better. So that's where we at on this car, guys. I'm not gonna keep this video open. Like I say, I'm not gonna do anything until I get that fixed. All right, so for now, that's all I have, guys. If you want to see this repair, I have this repair on another video. In fact, I linked it right here. But I'm telling y'all what I'm gonna do, but you have to click on this link to go to the other video and see how I fix what I fixed. All right, that's all I have, man. I'm sorry we couldn't go further, but I have to stop because my electrical system has been compromised. All right, yes, I can't put my name on something like this with it in this state. All right, now I may get one of those, we just fixed that from her, but y'all see, look at this. All right, no. That's not leaving out of here with JT signature on it. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.